Episode number 4, Thunder and Blunder.
Here, it is 1000 payments for 6 kg potatoes and cream cheese, and also buy whatever you want. Okay, brother, I'll do. What did you buy? Wait. This is it. Yes.
Let's do elimination. We got 22 votes this time. Team with most votes is safe. So, Round Team got 1 vote and Caution and Warning got 21 votes. So they are safe.
Whole team, you are very useless. No use at all. No!
Round Saka. Enough of your kicking. You two need to be punished. Taste your own medicine.
Bye. Safe. Prize.
Where is prize? Here. It is. It's wood.
But where? Where all round things ended?
SFV. What is it? Scorching forest wines. Forest with trees having wines. But the problem is, onion is only sended that way, not 4 of them. We will pick them as soon as they land on land. Well, I have surprise for you.
Wait, we play it.
Okay then. Play it again. I want to see.
What did you buy and price? 6 kg potato, 200 payments, cream cheese, 50 payments, pencil, 10 payments, eraser, 10 payments, marker, 30 payments. Book, free with pencil, eraser, marker, game 200 payments, clothes, 250 payments. And what did you buy with 250 payments left? I have bought something with it. But what? A brand new mobile. It isn't for your age, but what are its features? It has no camera, no touchscreen, and no battery. Tapey, you made me do it. Charge, charge!
Yesterday rain, now it's a thunderstorm. How did that happen, Toaster? Dunno. Tapey.
I know, my brother got angry because of that stupid phone. Sorry.
What do you mean?
He made thunder. Yesterday, he and I made rain too.
what to do. Next contest is Survive the Thunder. The least survival in a team loses until it is over. Now go! So friends, episode is over. Bye-bye. See you next episode.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you to all.
Are we late? Oh no! Those two, they're probably dead. Okay. It's your birthday. You are turning 10 years old. So here are some gift and some bun as a gift from me. I recover you as you are special today. One more chance for you.
Thanks. Let's open.
Secret tip. We got mobile from iStory. It is with no camera. Use this. Ice cream scooper gifted us meringue to eat. Basil given tomato plant. BB given mustard plant. Slicer given a book. Jello, what? Fork or candle, basketball, toaster immunity. For what about that?
Get immunity whenever your tummy is upon animal. Okay.
Let's eat the goodies. Yeah. Charge.
Come, let's go to my home.
No, Smoke is coming. No.
What do I do?
Tell us no with that rip. He will help.
Okay. Dilo.
Craft and take 100 potion. I know you would ask.
How it is made?
Ask Cake.
Okay.
Buy our mobiles. New model. Buy now.
No, because of you, this is happening.
Cake.
Yes.
Why are you dressed?
To go to party.
It is destroyed.
Anyways, what happened, dear? Oh, you need an anti-thunder potion? I would know. Bring me a 4C scale from Spring 20, Furious Saffron from Oven, Hibiscus from Valley, from Fizzawick Valley, and take help of Cloth if you want.
How do I do it? Should I walk?
If someone here could fly, then super glue can.
Super glue. Let's go to Feeder's Rally over Spring.
Where is it?
This glue.
How? He doesn't have legs nor arms.
Remove the cage, put the cloth, and go. Yes. Okay, we got hibiscus. Next, to spruce, link forest to spring 20. These are the spring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that is 20. Yes.
Yes, baby. Through clouds. To the oven.
That.
Oh, let's return. Here.
Okay. Thank you, big bro.
Why is it turning into that potion?
You probably made something.
But what?
I don't know. Someone needs to go to planting. Will you go?
Sure.
Take PMP. She only knows.
So much Vijaji and Fidget.
It all started once upon a time. Hello, wizard students. Beware the time I signal start singing. Why say the project 16 behind screen 10 then answer for me. Kawashika Rose. We need Kawashika Rose from Kawashika Mountain.
Anyone knows where it is?
I know. I want to go for reunion. Cause reunion doesn't do well. I was booking a cab, but now I'm coming with you if you want. Go away.
Oh shoot, that place got electrocuted. There's the mountain and thunder. Drop me down and take a road and pick me up again.
Sure thing, Mr. Bro.
I am still.
What a power.
Here you go.
Charge! Huh? No, Tabby. No, brother. What did I do? Help!
Ooh, challenge is over. So Vigo is up for voting.
Sorry, Master and Teacher, because of...
It is okay.
I bought the pencil as your gift.
Okay.
Sorry.
No.
I should say. Huh? You are awake? But it called me. Sorry. Anyways, good night. Bye. And good night.
Around, sucker. Now better.